Hey guys, welcome to another Qpython series tutorial. Now in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about modules and how you can actually import them on Qpython 3. Now I've been getting questions lately about modules, this, that, Qpython 3 not compatible, how you can actually install them, this, that. That's why I'm making this video for you guys to understand some stuff. Now let's go on to how to import modules with different techniques. Now let's go ahead and import a module named math. I'm using this guys because it's very basic and standard and understandable, so forgive me if I don't have a name of module, another name to use. Now let's just go ahead and say print math dot square root 144. This should give me the square root of the number 144. Now let's print that out. Okay, just to make sure everything is working fine. Yeah, it's working fine. Now there's a way in the Python that you can actually import modules and all the stuff inside of that module without having to use without having to use everything or the name of the module every time like you did here, using name math every time you want to call out the function or method. Now let's see. All you have to do is use the name of the square roots and say from math import, let's lay this out, import square root. Now what this does is that it's going to look for the name square root, the name of the module, and it's going to say from the name of the module math, I want you to import the function named square root. Now since we have that function imported, all we have to do now is cancel the name math and save our code and run it. Our code will still work fine, but it's just going to be a simpler, plain, easy code to read. Now what if there are more than one thing we want to import from the module? We can simply say from math imports all. Now this means all, which means asterisk sign. So what this is telling Python is that I want to import all the name of the functions, classes, variables inside of the name of the module math. So we can go ahead and say print, let's head on to the next line so we don't have things confusing us. Print out let's say the seal and add the 4.5 or 4.6, whatever we want. Now what it's going to do is that it's going to round up our number to 5.0. That's the name in the math module seal. You can also use floor if you want. Now it gives us the number 5. Now without much wasting time on this, let's get on to the next next talk on this tutorial. Now we know how we use this asterisk sign and we use the from. Now these are examples at the top, at this top here, just to show you guys so I don't forget. Now the next thing we're going to be talking about is the as. I said as. It's as, just as. Okay, so now what we want to do is that I want to be using the as statement. Now let's say from math, or let's just use the math or the import statement that says imports math as stats. Or let's just use the name of the guy that commented on my video. His name is Undertoes. Yeah, I know I promised a lot of you guys that you win this spot, but if you did comment on my videos, you would win this spot. So now the name of the guy who commented on my video, his name is Undertoes. If you would like your name to be in any of my videos, all you have to do is comment, like this video, subscribe, and share. Now let's use the name math. Now remember, we call the name math as Undertoes. So we have to use Undertoes every time we call the name of a function under the math module or under the Undertoes module. So all we have to do now is say Undertoes the square root, and then this next line we have to add Undertoes dot seal. Now when we save our code and let's run it, see that everything will still work fine as it should. There is no errors, which means we're good to go. Now since we have this out of the way, let's try something else. We can also import more than one module. Now we have this imported here. We can also go to our next line and say import let's say OS. Now since we have that imported, we can also do stuff like import OS, add a bracket, add sys, add a bracket, add something else, just like that. So we can import more than one module just by adding the common sign, and add more module names if you want. Now that will be all for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Please, if you do like it, leave a like, share, and subscribe. Please do comment so that your name might be in my next video. Thank you for watching. It's TechMond. I'll see you guys next time.